Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start social media marketing with Hootsuite step by step clearly. To start social media marketing with Hootsuite, first, visit the Hootsuite website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. Fill in your details to sign up for a free trial or choose a suitable plan. Once your account is created, log in to the Hootsuite dashboard. Start by connecting your social media accounts by selecting the My Profile option. Click on Social Networks, then choose the platforms you want to connect. Authorize Hootsuite to access your social media accounts by following the prompts. After connecting your accounts, familiarize yourself with the Hootsuite dashboard. Explore the different sections, like Streams, Publisher, and Analytics. To create your first post, navigate to the Publisher section. Select Create Post and choose the social media accounts for your post. Craft your message, incorporating relevant hashtags and mentions. Add any images or links that enhance your content. Select the date and time for scheduling your post or choose to publish it immediately. Once satisfied, click the Schedule or Post Now button. To monitor engagement, return to the Streams section. Set up relevant streams for tracking mentions, comments, and direct messages. Analyze your social media performance by navigating to the Analytics section. Review metrics such as engagement, reach, and audience growth. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to improve future campaigns. Continue to refine your content and posting schedule for better results. Utilize Hootsuite's resources and educational tools to enhance your skills. Stay updated with the latest social media trends and best practices. Consistency and engagement are key to successful social media marketing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.